welcome back to my channel. I have a Dollar Tree haul for you today, but I thought I would have Romy at the start of the video to say hello. She's not looking at the camera, so you guys can see what she looks like now. She is 12 weeks now, and she is on her way to 15 pounds. Oh, there she is looking. Say hi! Say hi, Romy! No, she's just want to look at my hole that's on the floor. Oh, say hi! No, she's more interested in that. You see, she's still as chubby as ever. No, she's not gonna look. Anyway, I thought I would just show you how she's getting on, what she looks like now. Doctor says she's doing excellent at her last checkup. That was when she was 8 weeks. Her 2-month checkup, she got all her shots, and she weighed 13 pounds 2 then, so that was a month ago. She's definitely over 14 pounds now. She's so heavy, she's killing my back. Oh, she's talking. Say hi. Say hi. No? You're not gonna say hi? Say something. Come on, Romy. Yeah? Aww. She's really dead smiling. Right, I'm gonna put her away, and well, not put her away, I'm gonna give her to her sister, and then get on with this haul. Say bye! Romy, say bye! Say bye! Had to go put her down because she was fussing too much. So I'm in my craft room to finish the haul, but before I start, I wanted to say I don't shop in Aldi. I don't know if any of you guys do, but I saw on TikTok a lady, I can't remember who it was, she said you can get nappies, well you guys call them diapers, but I call them nappies, for 100 for like $11 in Aldi's, but you also get the packs this size, and these are $4, and the size 1 has 48 in it, and this is size 2, it has 38. But she goes through so many of them. She goes through so many of them, so I'm so glad that I found them for this price, because 100 Pampers or Huggies is like $50 compared to $11. And like as soon as she is a little bit wet, she wants changed. She fusses to get changed, and we just go through so many. So I thought I would share with you guys. Also, she sleeps 6 hours during the night, and her nappy will be full, but it doesn't leak. None of them have leaked. She's had a couple of blowouts, but they've not leaked. So that's, I think they're pretty good. So if you want to save some money, get them. They're just as good as the other ones. For all the time that they wear them for, what do you need to pay all that money for the other ones? Anyway, I thought I would share that with you guys, because I know some of you just had babies. I don't shop in Aldi for anything else. I don't know, I think it's about the same price as Walmart. Anyway, the first thing that I got was this house, and it's a sign, and I have no idea what I'm going to do with it yet. They have different colours, so I asked Renisha, oh my god, I asked Renisha to pick me which colour she liked the best, so she got this one, and it's not what I would usually pick, but I'm going to try and do something with that. I also got these came out for Father's Day, and they are just pictures, and they have Dad written on them, and I'm going to keep one, put Fabian's picture in there. I'll probably do something else with a frame, and then this one I'm going to put my dog Ben in there and his name, I would put Toby in one, but he has too many letters in his name. I also got this photo frame, and it's got triangles on it, and the edges of them were like raised up, so I was gonna change that, DIY that. I also got this sign, and I'm not sure what I'm going to do with this yet, but I will think of something. And I feel like I've bought this before, I would have to go check. But it's some faux leather, and it's this really pretty blue colour. So I'm looking forward to using that. If I bought it before, I must have forgotten it, but now that I've seen it, I'm pretty sure I either got the blue or the white and then never used it. Also, I finally found these ribbons. The one in the middle, I did find some before. I only found one of them and then never seen them after looking for years for them. And now I got 5 of each of them. Now that I've found them, I've seen them in so many Dollar Trees, including my closest one to me, which used to be so awful, but they've just turned it into a Dollar Tree Plus. They didn't have any good craft stuff in the Dollar Tree Plus though, but they do have these. So this one actually, this one you can find on Temu, and I'm not sure how much it is, but you get a lot more in the roll than this. So I will get some and haul it and let you guys know how much is in it, unless you go look for it yourself. I also got some lighters, and these are for burning all the wee hairs on the rope and the twine and stuff, and these ribbons. I also got a sanding sponge. I got 2 of them, but I used the other one already. They always come in handy. I got these eyelashes. They say aqua lashes, and you dip them in water to activate the adhesive. And I actually bought 2 packs, and I used one for Renisha for her birthday, and they didn't work. So unless you have lash glue, don't bother with these. I also got some mechanical pencils because these like to disappear out my craft room. So I got some more of them. I also got these, some more of these wood slices, but this was the only pack that I saw. But be careful, like have a look at them, because this one is so short and tiny, and then this one is just a half one. So definitely check them before you buy them. But you can also get one similar to this on Temu, and yeah, also the ovals as well. These, oh my god, you can get these on Temu as well. So if you can't find them, just look on there. So I also got this bottle, and it's got a wee bee on it, but I'm going to take that off, and I'm going to put, I have these wee celestial charms, which are more my thing. I'm going to put one of them on it. I also got this vase, and it's green. You get different colours, and it's got like little holes in it, and I'm going to DIY this. I also got a hurricane vase, and I have an idea for this as well. And I got these are, I know these are new, these burlap canvases. I only bought one of each, and I wish I'd bought more. So hopefully I see them again. I don't know what I'm going to do with them yet, but I will come up with something eventually. And then I got these. I think they had another colour, which was like think it was more like a white, a grey, if I'm right. I can't remember. It was a while ago I got some of this stuff. And my brain just isn't working the same as it used to after having the baby. Anyway, I got one of each. I probably should have bought more. If I see them again, I will get some more. And then, so I've been looking for these for a while and I found one of each. I really wish there'd been some more, but it's these pretty blue rub-on transfers. And then these ones are so pretty. I love all the colours in them. I just wish there'd been more packs. So I can't wait to use those. I also got these ones. There is some gold feathers and some gold butterflies. Did I say some of the kids got me some of this stuff for my birthday? I got these craft words. Craft mots. Laser craft words. Craft with a K. And these say forever and love. And they look more like cardboard. So I also got these other cutouts. These are wood ones. And I got home, believe, and love. And you get two. You get two? No, you get three. What's that, 4? Oh my god, I can't see. No, it's 2. It looks like it's 2 in a pack. They're just kind of doubled up, stuck together. You get 2 in a pack. And then, yeah, I've used the home ones before. So I used these ones, obviously for Valentine's. This one, probably Christmas time. I also got some more laser wood cutouts, and it's some crosses and some leaves and flowers. I really like this one and this one. Keeps shining on it. So I'm looking forward to using them. I also got this burlap fabric. I'm actually going to open it up because I want to see if it's just plain on the other side, or if you can see through it. Yeah, you can see through it. But you could still use it that side if you didn't want this bright blue. You could use that side. It's not showing up on camera much, but you can definitely see it through it. Don't know what I'm going to use that for yet. I also got 3 wee canvases. I thought I picked up 4. So I need to get another one for what I want to use these for. I also got these wooden plaques, an oval one and this rectangle one. I already have a few of these, but I got some more. I got a couple of these mini wood pallets, and I have an idea for these, and I needed another couple. I also got another one of these shelves, and I did make something with these before. It was a skull shelf for Halloween, so I'm not sure what I'm going to do with this. You don't have to use it as a shelf. You can make other things out of it. Like you can make a wee tray or a sign or something. I also got some wood glue and some Mod Podge. Matte Mod Podge. I only have the glossy one, so I got some of the matte one. I also got some wee succulents in the wee pots. My fault. And you don't have to use the pots, you can just pull them out, and you can always do other stuff with the pots, and you can paint the pots, put some of that ribbon on it and stuff. There's lots of things you can do with these. And then I also got 2 of these chairs. And these are for the wee living room scenes that I made. I'm going to make some more eventually. I thought these would be a nice size for them. And I also got this one, a wee drawer desk thing. So I also got, it's over here, this beautiful wallpaper. And this was also in my closest Dollar Tree. And I couldn't believe it when I saw it because it's new. But it's got green and like blue in it. And I did use it in my last video because I did buy 4 and then I just couldn't wait to use it. I wish I'd picked up more than 4. I also got something else, but it's in the kitchen. I'm going to go get it and then come back. This was from the Dollar Tree Plus section. It's a water bottle and it has markers on it for what time and how much water you should be drinking. And I got this for my son because he'd been saying for a while he wanted one. And when I came home, he had already ordered one off Amazon. So I guess it's mine now. So I already drink more water than that in a day, for sure. So I'm going to try it and see. But this was $5, and that's all I bought from the Dollar Tree Plus section. They did have a bunch of home decor stuff in that, just stuff that I didn't need. I would have liked more craft stuff. They just had like a couple of boxes. I also got this, I already opened this to see what it was like. And this is a mini popsicle mold. And this was in the baby section. This is for Romy. I am going to put my breast milk, my breast milk in here and make wee popsicles for her when she's teething. So I'll let you know how she gets on with them. She might start teething soon, I don't know. So that's everything that I got. I hope you enjoyed this haul. I might have another one soon. I have to go keep checking out that Dollar Tree Plus now that I've finally found one. I can't believe it's actually the one closest to me. That Dollar Tree used to be so bad. I would have not much on the shelves. Everything would be on the floor. I remember one time I went in and I had to like step over so much stuff. People just dumped it all over the floor. I don't know why anybody would do that when they go in the shop. But hopefully I have some good Dollar Tree Plus goodies to share soon. So I hope you enjoyed this haul. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.